Hey fasting foodies, I just wanted to thank you and do a short video here of the 5,000 subscribers that we just passed. A great little milestone, you know? It chugs along slowly, but I really appreciate those of you that are going through the same pathway that I am and doing it together when it comes down to living the fasting lifestyle. My question for you is, how do you feel today? Are you feeling a little tired? Are you feeling a little depressed? Or are you feeling anxious? Whatever those things are going on, it will affect what we eat and how we proceed with our fasting schedule. For me, I'm feeling a little stressed, but then that's the normal thing for me, right? It's work and, just keep pushing along and looking to God to make sure that I'm doing the right things that He expects me to do. Now, for fasting today, I am fasting 48 hours, and right now I'm probably about 22 hours in, and I'm going to be more accountable on that and to get through it till tomorrow at dinner time. I'm looking forward to it because right now I am kind of hungry, but remember, if you're feeling hungry, it could be that you're actually dehydrated, and that will be something to definitely pay attention to, such as electrolytes. You might be malnourished and your minerals have been depleted because maybe you're drinking a lot of water but you're depleting the vitamins in your system. So add in a little bit of Himalayan salt, that can't hurt, or maybe squeeze some lemon. Yes, technically it does break a fast, the lemon juice, but you know what? It's so minute and there's so much vitamins, and I'm definitely a supporter of continuing vitamins and nutrients that you may need just to push along an extended fast. You can still do some herbal hot tea, and that's a great way to curb the appetite as well, because something warm in your tummy, it will really make you feel more satiated, make you feel like you can go longer on your fast. So these are some of the things I'm doing because the weight has been ticking up a little bit more this week, but I've eaten quite a bit over the weekend. I didn't just do a cheat meal, I did cheat days, 2 in a row, because we had a birthday to celebrate, also just because I wanted carbs. And it's okay to do carbs as well, because when you crave it, listen to your body and do what it tells you to do within reason. I really appreciate you guys so much, and I thank you again for the 5K subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. We have lots of videos here. I think I've done over 130 or 135 videos that will give you some breakdown about fasting, happiness, healthy habits, and that we all need to form in some form of fashion, but not just addressing the physical side of health, but also addressing the mental, the spiritual, and just well-being all the way around. Tell me what you're up to. I look forward to touching base until the next video, which will be a much more planned out video. But I wanted to again thank you guys so much, and please check out my website. I have updated it. I've been updating it on a regular basis now, and I'm hoping that it's more functional for you to enjoy. So if you want more inspiration, go to regedited.com, and thanks again. If you're curious about starting the fasting lifestyle, please look in the description box for the link to my free guide. Thanks so much for watching.